the intersection of Kohler and Knapp and 44 intersection. Police are keeping the congestion of these vehicles down and maintaining the intersection together. Now I'm waiting for planes to come up past me so I can get them on here. The most attraction of the most attraction ever. Planes going in a different direction in the background, and I'm waiting for more to come my way. Be right back. They're playing tic-tac-toe in the sky. Alright, your move, pilot. Where are you gonna go? I don't see nothing being done. Oh, yep. Right in the corner. There it is, making his lines for the X. Oh, he's going in the corner as the, oh. Okay. He's going in the corner. Oh, the other one has to make his move. I think he's gonna go right in the corner down below, left, to block the other pilot, because he's got two, one in the middle, one in the corner. Oh, he's going down in the corner. Bye. Come again.